A very good morning, Oyanre, Uchio Nade, Uchio Maber. Oyanre means good morning. Uchio, did you wake up? My name is Herin Acheng Ombija. Nyinga and Herin Acheng Ombija. If you've been following me for a while, then you already know what my name is. So last time we learned a few things, and today we're going to continue with our lesson. And we're going to learn about a little girl called Maria and where she goes to school. So if you go to school, then you can practice with us. So I am reading from this book that says Somo Bear, Learning is Good. It's a book by Robert DCO. DCO. So this is what Maria says to us. Iluongani Maria. My name is Maria. Ma en skundwa. This is my school. Ma means this. Ma kikombe. This is a cup. Ma san. This is a plate. Ma an. This is me. So ma en skundwa. This is my school. Skundwa iluongoni sae. My school is called sae. Iluongo. It is called. So that's how you say it's called. Iluongo ni kikombe. It's called a cup. Iluongo ni book. It's called a book. So, sahe ens kund nyiri gi yawoi. Nyiri means girls. Yawoi means boys, young boys. This is how you refer to a young boy or a young girl in the LUO language. So, skundwa nitiere county ma Migori. My school is in Migori County. Skundwa nitiere gi jopuonj mang'eny. My school, jopuonj. Japuonj is a teacher. Jopuonj are teachers. When there are many, you refer to them as jopuonj. So Maria says her school has many teachers. Mang'eny. Mang'eny means many. Many. A lot of people, a lot of teachers. Skundwa nitiere gi bendera. My school has flags. A flag is called bendera. I think it's similar to Kiswahili, Swahili language, for those of you who understand Swahili, because not everybody understands Swahili in here. Skundwa nitiere gi yen. Yen, Y-I-E-N. Yen is a tree. So when you see a tree outside and you're playing yen, ne yen, look at that tree. Yen mang'eny, yende. Yen is singular, yende. I went the many, ne yende go. So what else is Maria saying? Skundwa nitiere gi maua. Maua, flowers. My school has flowers. Nitiere, it has. You know, it has. What else is she saying? Skundwa nitiere gi pap. My school has a field. Pap is a field. Adi e pap. I'm going to the field. Nyiri ni e pap. Girls are in the field. Yawoi ni e pap. The boys are in the field. What else did Maria say? Kawan e school wa where. When we are in school, we sing. Where is to sing. So if somebody suddenly comes up to you and say, where, then you know you're being asked to sing. Where. I am singing. Gi where. They are singing. So where is a song. Kawan e school wa somo. When we are in school, we'll learn. Somo. Somo is either to read or to learn. Adi somo. I am going to learn. I'm going to read. When children are going to school, kids can tell their parents in the morning, Mama, Baba, Adi somo. I am going to learn. Kawane school wa more. More is to be happy. M-O-R. More. One thing I love about the LUO language is that some of the words are very short words, so they're very easy to remember. Like we have a lot of 3-letter words, so when you say more, it's very easy. You know, I'm more, I'm happy. So more. Skundwa wa more. They're very happy in their school. It must be a very good school. So skundwa wa tugo adula. Adula is football. It's a very old term. Like I've not had this in a long time. So adula is football. To go is to play. So if you're a child, you're going outside to play, you can tell your mama or baba, mama, adi to go or go. I am going to play outside. So to go is to play. What to gi? You can tell that to your friends. And you want to play with your brothers or sisters or friends, you tell them what they were to gi. Let's go and play. What they? Let's go. watugo, play. What else? So skundwa watugo katolo. Katolo is a game that we used to play when we were very young. I think a lot of you know this game. You draw lines on the ground. It's mostly played by girls. And then you skip the boxes. I think you write your numbers in the boxes. It's a very popular game amongst school-going young girls, young children. So I think that is all for today. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'll try and keep up with regular updates. Please don't forget to practice your lessons. We have learned so much. Go through the other videos and keep learning Luo. I love the Luo language. I enjoy speaking the Luo language, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Nyinga and Herin Achieng Ombija. Nyinga, my name. Nyingi and Nga, what is your name? Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Oriti. Bye.